Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the surprising things that happen to your body when you walk every day. So, grab your walking shoes, and let's dive right in. You might be surprised to learn that walking regularly can actually boost your mood. That's right. When you walk, your body releases endorphins, which are those feel-good chemicals that help reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, walking can be a great way to clear your mind, allowing you to better deal with life's challenges. Struggling to catch some Z's? Walking might just be the answer. Studies have shown that walking regularly can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. This is because walking helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock. So, if you're tired of tossing and turning at night, why not give walking a try? Walking isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your brain. Regular walking can increase blood flow to the brain, which helps improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. In fact, some studies even suggest that walking can lower the risk of developing Alzheimer's and dementia. So, next time you're feeling a little foggy, remember that a quick walk could do wonders for your brain. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain your current weight, walking can be a helpful ally. Walking helps you burn calories and build lean muscle, which can increase your metabolism. Plus, walking is a low-impact exercise, making it a great option for people of all ages and fitness levels. Did you know that walking can actually help strengthen your bones and joints? Yep, you heard that right. Regular walking can help slow down bone loss and even reduce the risk of developing osteoporosis. Plus, walking can help improve joint flexibility and reduce the pain associated with arthritis. Walking regularly can also help improve your immune system. This is because walking promotes the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. So, by walking every day, you're not only improving your overall fitness, but also giving your immune system a much-needed boost. So there you have it, folks. 6 surprising things that happen to your body when you walk every day. From boosting your mood to improving brain health, the benefits of walking are truly incredible. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up your walking shoes and start reaping the rewards of this simple yet effective form of exercise.